Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download Bluetooth driver for your Windows 10. So what you're going to do is press Windows key plus X from the keyboard and then you need to click on Device Manager here. Now it will open up a small window showing all the devices that your Windows have. Now normally it lists all the drivers whether they are installed or not. So you can see the Bluetooth is here. You need to expand this here and now you can see so many are here. However, we need to find the one with the yellow icon. Okay, so because my drivers are installed here, so I'm not seeing the yellow icon here. However, if there is a yellow kind of triangle is here, then that means the driver is not installed. So as you can see, I have Qualcomm Bluetooth. So once you find it, you need to right click on that one and then you need to click on properties. Now from the top you need to click on the details page here, then under properties expand it, then click on hardware IDs. Okay, now whether the driver is installed or not, there will always be hardware IDs to identify which kind of driver or from which company the hardware is installed. Okay, so that you'll find in the hardware IDs. So you can see the first one, that is VID and PID. Okay, you need to remember VID and PID. So what you're going to do is right click on this one and click on copy. Now you can do the same method for any kind of driver here. Okay, whether it is a display or disk or camera, right? Now you need to open Google Chrome or any other web browser and now simply search for the term that you have just copied, paste and hit enter. You can directly see how Google is identifying it. Okay, so Dell Wireless 1707 Bluetooth driver, Qualcomm. Okay, so once you can see the hardware IDs here, whatever you have, and if it matches it, that means you can go and download that particular software here. So I'm going to open up this website. Now there are downloads option. Okay, so once you download it, simply install it and your Bluetooth will start working. The second way is to directly go to the manufacturer website. So I have this Dell laptop, or if you have a Dell laptop or Acer or HP, then you can go to their website. Let me show you how you can do it. So I am going to the Dell drivers. So I'm going to do a simple search for Dell drivers download, and now you can see it is showing me the first website, which is dell.com drivers and download section. Okay, so I'm going to click on here. Now it is giving identify your product here. Okay, so you may be seeing something like that on other manufacturer website also. So I don't know my product here, so I can simply click on browse all products, click on computers, click on laptops. Now I don't know my model number. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type open run application, press Windows R from the keyboard, then type dx which will open the dx tag box, which is right here. Okay, now on the first page system, you'll find the system manufacturer Dell and that is system model number. Okay, Inspiron 153555. so this is the system model number that I have. You may be seeing a different model number depending upon your laptop or PC. So once you are here, now I know that it is Dell Inspiron 153555. So I'm going to select Inspiron. Now again it is asking for the series, so 153555, so I am just guessing that it will be 3000 series. Now I need to find 15, so I'm 15 and 3555. Okay, now I'm going to click here, select this product Now it will start showing all the drivers for this particular product here. Okay, now it is showing manually find a specific driver for your Inspiron 153555. Now your manufacturer may be offering a software through which it will find all the drivers that are not installed. However, I am going to find it manually. In few manufacturer website it will show you manually also. Now you can enter the keyword here Bluetooth, or you can simply go down there and keep seeing it till you find the Bluetooth option. Now you can see here Dell Wireless, Qualcomm, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. Okay, now there is a download option here. Now you can click on download here and then you can install it and your Bluetooth will start working fine. So these are the two ways through which you can easily download and install Bluetooth driver on your Windows 10. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.